Craftsman inverter generator won't start 3000i.
This is Rob. Thanks for using JustAnswers. I will try to help. If it started and ran in the past, it is most likely a fuel/carburetor issue. You can try replacing the gas with fresh gas. Most likely the carburetor needs to be cleaned. In the future, try to keep engineered fuel in all of your small engines when they will not be used in a while or put up for the season. You can get cans of engineered fuel for 2 and 4 cycle engines. I have good results with it and everything starts when it should. I hope this helps. Please remember to give a good rating. Rob.
Thank you. I believe they said it didn't have any gas stored in it, just a trace or a bit more maybe. They put new gas in it. Also, it has the see-through lines and they were clear. Everything was so clean. It has only been used a few times. Just for pressure washing once or twice. When you pull start it, it acts like it isn't hitting. They checked the spark plug. Why would it not be hitting? It is in the 20s cold. Not sure if that matters.
If when the motor was last used the gas wasn't run out fully and replaced with long-term engineered fuel, the seals in the carburetor can be damaged. One of the worst things to do with a small gas motor is not use it. Unless the fuel is properly treated for the long term. Rob.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.